How to see your Venmo debit card number online. Let's get started. If you are wondering how to find this information, I'll walk you through the facts and steps you can take if you have lost your card or need assistance. First up, here is the truth. Venmo does not display the full debit card number in their app or online for security reasons. This policy is in place to protect your account from unauthorized access or fraud. However, there are steps you can take if you need the help with your card details. Let me explain. If you have misplaced your Venmo debit card and need the number, here's what you should do. Open the Venmo app and go to Settings. Tap on Venmo debit card. Temporarily disable your card to prevent unauthorized use by toggling off the card status. Next, contact Venmo support to request a replacement. They can't provide your card number but will help you get a new card. Or what you can do is launch a Venmo app and go to Settings, click on Get Help, Contact Us, and chat with the Venmo support team. Or you can send an email debitcardsupport@venmo.com. There you can discuss about the issue. Remember, if you are frequently using your Venmo card, store your card details securely like in a password manager app. This ensures you don't have to rely on having the physical card every time. And there you have it. While you can't view a Venmo debit card online, Venmo support team is always ready to help. If this video clarified things for you, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.